I'm gonna have to weld these two gears together, and then I might have to extend the shaft as well. So this is my first time doing a keyway, and it came out pretty good. It fit very snug. So there's absolutely no slop, and it comes out pretty easily. So I stayed late last night trying to finish everything, putting it in the tank, installing the hydraulic line. Sorry I didn't get that on video. It's getting really late and the camera ran out of battery. So here it is. I got the hydraulics all hooked up. I'll go walk around and let you guys check it out. Sorry for the shadows early in the morning. So I got the motor installed. Temporary kind of deal. Got a little small grommets on the bottom to decrease the vibration. The hydraulic, it's coming out here kind of on the bottom. There's about 2 inches of space to allow the sediment to settle on the bottom. Goes down into the pump. Sorry, everything is still kind of temporary. I'm just gonna try to get this to run, see if it actually runs. Don't have the right fittings in this, all of this, the correct fitting yet. So, but these are just low pressure side going into the pump, so that doesn't matter that much. And then here comes the outlet of the pump, the high pressure side. It goes up, okay, goes into the valve. Here is where the return's supposed to go in, but unfortunately I ordered the wrong adapter. There's going to be a filter here as well, a return filters to filter out all of the contamination. I filled in about almost 5 gallons of hydraulic fluid. Alright, I just literally threw the battery on there, threw the controller on there. It's kind of a mess, but I'll just test it out real quick and see what's going on. I just got the pot mounted double-sided tape right there, and then there's a little fuse, 100 amp fuse, and a disconnect. So there you go. Let's put on the wheel and let's see if it's dry. Okay, the moment of truth. Will it run or will it blow up? Let's see. Oh, we got movement. So the pump's going. Right now nothing's moving because it's going to, the fluid's going back to the tank. And then let's give it a go. Oh, moving. Oops. Alright, so it works and it's super quiet. I was expecting it for it to be real loud, but I can talk to you right now and I don't even have to raise my voice, and I can control the speed of the motor, the pump, so fast and then slow, so fully controllable. The next episode it's going to be doing the arms and then the buckets and then doing the hydraulic cylinder, so stay tuned. Like, if you liked the video, please give me a thumb up and then subscribe to the channel. It will be a big motivation for me. Thanks for watching, guys.